This drone is designed as part of the Overwatch system. It is designed to be able to fly over wildfires and floods. The drone has a sensor package which consists of thermal camera, RGB camera and LiDAR data. By fusing the RGB, thermal and LiDAR data, we are able to generate real-time maps on the drone. With our onboard computer capabilities, we are generating maps that are then used for dynamically changing the flight paths. In case of wildfires, usually the region on top of it becomes extremely dangerous, and we are using object collision where the region on top of a wildfire is marked as a forbidden zone. Our system is able to dynamically change the flight path and fly around the wildfires. This drone is with all the sensor package, it can fly for 3 hours and can map both wildfires and floods, while all the data is being sent in real time to the Overwatch geospatial repository. The system has 2 fallback systems. The primary one is using LT connectivity directly on the drone, sending tiles of images and updating the maps on the dashboard, and the fallback system in case of low LTE coverage, where the data is being sent over radio, which then is forwarded to the ground control station that has internet connectivity, and the data is being transmitted directly to the geospatial repository.